think I figured out what my valve train ticking noise is. I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to have more oil pressure than that. I'll pop the hood and let you hear what it sounds like underneath.